Altendorf table saw, changing the saw blade. Tools: new saw blade, hex key, lock pin, wrench, splitters, and toolbox. Changing procedure: raise the guard, remove the guard, raise the blade to max height, engage both emergency stops, release sliding table lock, push locking mechanism to fully extend the sliding table, pull open the cover to access the saw blade, use the hex key to release the nut, turning it in a counterclockwise rotation, remove the splitter. The splitter prevents the piece that is being machined from binding the saw blade by pinching the blade between the piece, preventing kickback. Insert the lock pin into the hole behind the blade and rotate the blade until the entire pin can slide into the table. Use the wrench and mallet to knock loose the lock nut. Turn the nut clockwise to loosen. Take off the old saw blade and blade stiffener. Place the new saw blade on the arbor with the knife tips pointed in the clockwise direction, ensuring a power cut. Align the saw blade and blade stiffener with the drive pin holes. Put the lock nut back on, twist counterclockwise, and tighten with the wrench and mallet. Find the appropriate splitter for the new saw blade. The splitter is chosen based on the size, diameter, and thickness of the saw blade. Adjust the splitter approximately 2 mm from the top and approximately 6 mm from the side. This can be done by manipulating the splitter casing. Use the hex key to tighten the splitter casing. Remove the lock pin. Never start the machine with the lock pin in the hole. Rotate the saw blade and close cover. Slide the sliding table back across and disengage the emergency stops. Lower the saw blade for guard installation. Install and lower the guard. Tighten the red knob.